Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create the Gemini photos in your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened Gemini application. So this is my Gemini application. So as you know, each and every mobile has the Gemini application. So just open this application. So just click it for not now. So this is what is in your mind. Everything will be displayed over here. So there is a Gemini has a lot of options over there. So on top you will find a flashlight, flash and pro is there. So I just select 3.5 a flash, it'll be there. So this is a latest and updated version of Gemini. So if you want to install in your Play Store, just type a Gemini application so you can install over here. So here there will be ask Gemini is there. Just click a plus button, you will find photo, camera and files will be there. So if you want to create the image, just click here for the image. So you have a plenty of styles pick on your mobile phone. So you can identify the style and you can use, for example, I just select this, add the images. So whatever images you want, you just add the images over here. So from your images or photos, so whatever photos you have collected, just select the photo and add like that images. So similarly, I just want to create the image like a model, which I just want to choose the image. So similarly, so I just choose this option. So prepare an image like this and just click here for to give an option. So automatically this image will be added into the dynamic options of this. So similar way you can create a beautiful image. Whatever images you have in your mobile phone, you can convert that image into this option as you see here. So this is a simple way to create an image, or I just select the image over here. So I just have a photograph, so I just select the photo and done. So I just want to create a poster, like whatever poster you want, you can create accordingly. You can ask the Gemini. So simple way you can add the photo, or you can ask anything to the Gemini, it will prepare according to the needs. So I just type create a post image for birthday wish. So just type and send, means automatically the post will be created over here using a simple word of communication. So whatever Gemini has given, so it will think and create a photograph with the beautiful options, like whatever I want to create, like this kind of options with the Gemini templates, as well as whatever you want to create, like a birthday wishes or anything else, it will create according to your need. So simple way you can create using the photograph whatever you want using the Gemini app. So if you like the tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.